To install WordPress, navigate to the One-Click Installs section in your control panel and click on the WordPress icon. If you have registered your domain with HostMaria or added your domain using default settings, by default WordPress will be installed in the public HTML directory. For most cases, this is what you need. If you're not sure about what to do, it's best not to change anything and simply hit the Install WordPress button. If you have multiple domains added to your account, select the domain where you want WordPress installed and check which directory it will be installed in. Ensure that this directory does not already exist in your file manager. For example, here I have a danceballs.uk folder, but a danceball.uk folder does not yet exist. The installer will create it automatically. Now, let's proceed with our installation. Choose the domain and hit the Install WordPress button. When you see the Install Successful message, you're only halfway done. Now, click on your website's URL to complete the installation. In the next window, select your website's language and click Continue. Then, fill in the required details in the following window. It's crucial to save your login details so you can access your WordPress admin dashboard later. After filling in the details, click the Install WordPress button. Once the installation is complete, you can log into your website's administration dashboard using the login information you created in the previous step. And of course, you can now visit your newly installed WordPress website. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you need additional support, please open a support ticket at HostMaria Support Ticketing System. Please do not use emails and do not reply on email notifications as we can't guarantee a timely answer on these. The fastest and most efficient way to get support is using HostMaria Ticketing System. Thank you.